Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to clear the screen in command prompt. In the Windows search bar, type CMD. Click on the command prompt from the results. The command prompt window will open on your desktop. Now let's try running few commands in the command prompt. Type dir and press enter. Now type systeminfo and press enter. You can see the screen is filled up with the text. Now to clear the screen, type cls and press enter. The command prompt window will instantly clear, leaving you with a clean prompt. This is how you can clear the screen in command prompt. Thank you for watching.